How to receive gifts on TikTok comments. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could receive the gifts on TikTok comments. If any day you would like to receive the gifts on TikTok comments, at first you have to launch the very TikTok application on your device. After you launch the very TikTok application on your device, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to your profile like icon. After tapping on your very profile like icon, now it will take you to the next interface. You have to go to your three lines on the very top, and then you can go to the option of settings and privacy. After tapping on the option of settings and privacy, at first you have to make sure that your account is a very business account. Now, if your account is a very business account, you can just scroll down and then you can find the option of gifts here. If you do not directly find the option of gifts here, you can know that in your very option here, you have not got the right amount of followers. Yeah, so you have to have the right amount of followers. You can also go to the option of balance here. After you go to the option of balance here, you can see the option of the very kind of gifts here. You can just use the very option and you're okay with it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.